Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today I am unboxing Treasure Art Studios. I've had this one for a while. It took a really long time to come and am super excited to get into this box. Let us look at what we have here. The box did come a little banged up. It came in a plastic wrap. I took it out of that, but the box still does have a few bangs and dents and whatever on, which is no big deal as long as the insides are good. And I am just so excited to try out something different than Diamond Art Club. Ooh, I can feel the canvas. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. So the canvas feels like a felt, and it does look like it got a little dinged at each side. I'm just going to move the box out of the way. So it's a little dinged on each side here, but we'll see how that translates to the canvas. And it looks like you get a sticker sheet. It's not perforated, but that's awesome for cutting it out. And here is the picture. It's called Love is in the Air. I saw this months ago and just fell in love with it. I thought it looked so cute. So you get your 6 steps to diamond painting. I'm not going to read them all, but a little bit of instructions for you. It also comes with pre-bagged drills. So for all of you people who don't like to kit up, you're in heaven. And if I flip them over, those are all the colors. We'll take a look at those in a moment. This is a round drill. Does it say the size, the dimensions? I don't see it on there, and I tried to go back. I don't think this picture is any longer on the site because I tried to go back and get more information and it was gone. Let us see what they gave us. Let's pull it all out. So you do get a little pot with, looks like 3 stripes of wax or circles. You get 3 squishies. You do get plastic tweezers. These are very flimsy, so I'm not sure how useful they would be. And you get 3 pens. And each has a different multi-placer. You've got a 3, looks like a 5, and a 7 maybe on there. I could be wrong. These ones don't have the numbers on them, so I'm sort of guessing. I know that one's a 3. At least I think it's a 3. I use the skinny placers, so I'm not sure what the fatter placers are like. And then you get a small tray. Now let's just move these off to the side because what I really want to see is the canvas. So the canvas is very soft. It does feel like felt. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's not, it is quite a feeling of felt. I heard somebody say that this is mounted glue, not double-sided adhesive, and not poured glue. So definitely do not turn it backwards. Do I have it upside down? Look at it. So at the top, it says Diamond Art Kit by Treasure Art Studios, creating peace, thought, art. Nice. So you've got a legend at the top left, and that seems to be the part that got a little bunged up. And then bottom right. Oh, look at this picture, you guys. I'm going to move this up because I want you to see as much as possible. It is just the symbol, and the symbols look quite nice. They look very readable. I'm gonna zoom you down so you can see it. So in through the leg here. So what would that symbol be? 3865. But it looks clear, super, super clear. Little bit of confetti in and around the area of the moon. Just kind of in through here. And then there's some sporadic confetti in throughout. But it's just gorgeous. Look at the little bird. There's a little bird at the bottom corner. That's so cute. And then there's a little banner that says love. And she's just sitting on the moon in her nice little red dress. And he's looking at her with love in his eyes. With his nice little mustache and his bow tie. There's another bird up there. So this is gorgeous, you guys. So I want to peel this back because I don't understand what mounted glue is. If anybody knows the difference between mounted glue and poured glue, please let me know. It does have, it kind of reminds me of double-sided adhesive. Because it does have that little bit of stickiness around the perimeter, but I still don't really understand what the difference is. This would be the very first mounted glue that I've ever seen. But oh, you guys, it's so nice. Very, very sticky. No problems with that at all. I think this is one that I probably would lay under something heavy just for a few days to see it flatten out. Or maybe try to iron the very, very, very edges of it. I don't know if that would even be safe. I'll go the heavy item on first. So at the bottom, it says supporting artists worldwide, 100% money back guarantee, #1 customer priority. There is some of their social media links along the bottom here. And then just a Love is in the Air by Lizzy Falcon. And does it say the size? This is a 50 by 65 round. So not super tiny, but not super large. Oh, it's so nice, you guys. This is going to be a pleasure. I can't wait to see how this is going to pop. Like the color of her hair with the moon, with the red. I think it's going to look really, really nice. So there you have it. I'm just going to flip this in half here so that we can, and I'm going to zoom down so maybe you can see kind of what I mean by the flocking. It's not tarpaulin. It's definitely like a felt material. I hope you can see that on camera, but if you can't, take my word for it. I always like it when they give you options for the bags or to kit up. And you can always save the bags to kit down. So it looks like there are 2 bags of the there's 3865, 3866, 3861, 3838, 817. I've probably made a bit of a mess of these. 793. Hope you guys can see these. 3822, 3790, 3782. Lots of tans. I would have thought there would be more yellows. 3328. And this is 961, just a little bit of them. 934, 898, 844, lots of chocolates. There's a navy, 823, 799, 797. There are 45 colors. 3042. The drills look to be in pretty good shape. 3041, 792, 782, 3024, 780, 762, 741, 729, 728, 720, 712, 677, 666, 648, 645, 612, 524, 415, 349, 340, 336, 318. It looks like there is 2 bags of 310, 169, 160, 154, and 150. So no ABs on this at all, which is just fine. I don't mind working on a painting that doesn't have it. I know some of you will bling it up a little bit yourselves. I'm not quite of that caliber yet. I personally don't mind if it doesn't have ABs, and I love it when it does. But there you go. There's all the colors. Ugh, I just feel my voice is so scratchy, and I'm so sorry. This picture is just, like I said, it's so gorgeous. I love her sad blue eye kind of looking off. So Lizzy Falcon, Love is in the Air. Worth the wait, I think. This one probably took about 2 months to come. There was problems with the manufacturer and it ended up being delayed. And it was quite a while. I would say at least 2 months it took for it to come. But I think it might be worth the wait, totally. Wow, so nice. I really, really like it. So what do you guys think? Have you ever done a Lizzy Falcon? Have you done something from Treasure Studios art? What is your opinion overall of all of it? Did you enjoy the process? Did you like the mounted glue? Again, I don't really fully understand what that is. Just what are your overall thoughts in general with the company? This is the first time I've ordered from them. So thanks for hanging out with me while I unbox this. Thank you, thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked that video. And then as well, also give me a subscribe. I would appreciate it. That helps the channel too. And that's going to do it for me. You guys, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.